Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. I am Jalan Jomarimat. With all sincerity and modesty, I do hereby, upon the honor pledge, the Campbell Christian Academy, to perfectly uphold your standards and traditions, and to endeavor to serve my country and my fellow men to my utmost ability. With the help of the Almighty God, I will try to live up to what my loving parents, patients, and teachers expect of me. So help me God.
Okay, thank you, Anne.